guys, so it's currently the morning of my trip and I'm so excited. It is currently 10:05. We just got done cleaning the house and stuff, clean my room and all that good stuff. Now I'm about to get my hair done for the trip because if you guys can tell, I cannot rock this bush ball in Myrtle Beach. Just can't happen. I will vlog later when more interesting things are happening, because nothing's happening right now. So we're at the car rental place, right?
No.
And we got the car.
Key, look at that spider coming down. Get it, Key, get it. Went on the outside.
I just want to get on the road. No. Major feeling alert.
Waiting on her daddy to come on.
He ain't got my ass hot. So just sitting in the car. So I'm sitting in the car. We're about to go get my sister soon. My mom's getting a pizza for us to eat. We're going home and I think we're gonna like rest a little bit. I still have to pack some stuff, which my dad is mad about because he feels like that I had all week to pack, which I did, but I'm a procrastinator. I procrastinate. It's what we do. We're teenagers. It is currently 9:29. We're leaving the house around 10-ish. Just got dressed. Comfortable. Flip-flops. Because we're going on vacay, baby. So yeah. Let's head upstairs and see what everybody is doing.
No. If I see one, I see one. If I don't, I don't.
Say hi, Dad.
Huh? Plug anything you do.
Excuse you. It's now or never. Go ahead and do it then. No. So I was rushed, but currently the only person in the car. Hey you guys, so we hit a cat, and you know I was a little scared, but we made it. We came through. We're all right. So just update. We're currently in Virginia. We're in Virginia. We're in Emporia, Virginia. It took us 3 hours to get completely out of Maryland. But we shall be arriving to our destination around 5 a.m. That is all for now. Hey guys, so I'm at Black's Tire and Auto right now. We have a bit of a problem. We have a flat tire. Yeah, that's what's happening now. It's about 6 something in the morning. We were gonna make it there at like 5 something, but all these constant stops. Did I tell you guys we hit a cat? So we currently just made it to the grandmammy's house. I'm in California. In Cali.
Look how bummy I look.
My hair needs to be fixed.
That tells me I can turn the car on.
Do one for Instagram. Do a live. Say hello.
I got a long sweater like this. Oh, wait a minute. Make sure.
So we're at the mall right now, and I just got my food. It looks delicious. This is my mom's food. I'm about to enjoy. I got a peach lemonade and nacho fries.
What are you up to, Eli? No, your son, not Junior. Yeah, I saw the schedule of the games, man.
So it's around 2:15 and we're finally about to go to the resort. We haven't been there yet since we got here. So we're going there. We've been just shopping and stuff, hanging out with my grandmother. We're on our way. We're going to go to sleep because we haven't slept since yesterday. Oh, thank God.
No, he don't say chicken yet.
Alright,
So she said check-in is still at 4. But your room.
Hey guys, so we just made it to the resort. I think it's like 3 something, but I'll give you a tour. So hey guys, currently in the hotel room. This is the bathroom. Sorry about the lighting, it's twitching like crazy. So yeah, I'll just give you a tour. This is our bathroom. So that's that.
As old as I don't know what.
There's that.
Let's go.
It's a washer machine. Then in here is like the Nesta. Very little TV. Okay. And then here is the bathroom. It's nice lighting because there's a window right up there. And then there's shower and stuff, and a closet, and a stool in case you want to sit down and do your makeup, which is really nice. Living space. This is where the biggest TV is. So yeah, that's the tour of the place. So now I'm headed back upstairs to finish unpacking and crap, so people can. So my dad got my mom an anniversary present, and I want to get her reaction when she sees it. So I'm sorry, but that looks like we're in fresh. Stop talking.
It's so nice.
It'd be fine just in the bed.
You can just take it out the bed.
He went to Derek. So it's currently 4:48 in the afternoon. Today is Friday, I think it's the 26th. Yeah, it's the 26th. So we're not doing anything since I last vlogged. We're just like kind of cleaning up the hotel because, well, resort room. It's like a townhouse, I guess, but it wasn't the cleanest when we got here. But these rooms cost so much money, I guess, because it's so near the beach. Like, they don't really care about, and like all the attractions here, they don't really care about like dusting and stuff. But I have allergies and just not a good look. And another thing, the rooms aren't really up to date either. Like here, normally in between the beds they have like some sort of charging dock station or something. The nearest outlet is right over here by the wall, so I would have to get up to charge my phone, which is not gonna work for me, so I just have it in the bathroom. But yeah. I think I'm gonna go to the pool later. Feeling like pooly. I'm feeling like kind of pooly today. I brought a lot of swimsuits. This has been the outfit since I arrived here. Flip-flops, leggings, and this cropped white tank top, t-shirt, whatever. So yeah, I wore this yesterday on the way here, and I still haven't showered yet, so I need to do that because showering is important. Hey guys, so just got ready. for dinner. These are the feels right now. Like Selena. Bitty bitty bamba. I wish there was a full-length mirror, but there's not. So I'm wearing these black shorts. This is like black off the shoulder, like mariachi band looking shirt. And these shoes. And I don't know if I should wear these glasses or not, because I need like a pop of color. Because my whole outfit is black. I kind of look like a bug. If I was a rich girl.
This counts as an entree off regular meal. So even if we got an entree from one of them.
Hey guys, so we're currently walking to the pool. Don't know how to get in the pool. I think we gotta go around. It says it's locked. Going to the pool, we're going to the pool. Oh my god. I guess this is how we get. You scared? We made it. Mommy, I could have. These bugs. There's currently a frog blocking our door. So I don't know who's gonna win, the frog or us. So we just got back from swimming. It was okay. Don't worry, Kai, you're not on the camera. All right. So that is all for today. That was Myrtle Beach day 1 vlog. There will be a day 2 and a day 3. So stay tuned for that. Maybe a day 4, who knows. I'm gonna end the vlog here tonight because there's nothing really interesting going on. Oh.
I love the watch you try until you're back to me. When I know that any minute you'll be back to me.